Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious strawberry milk. I already have this on my channel, but I wanted to make an updated version, as well as it's a treat that I make for myself. I really love strawberry milk, so I make it. So it's only 4 ingredients: water, sugar, strawberries, and milk. But you can use your preferred milk, whatever milk you prefer, just use that. But this is what I'm using today. So first I'm going to put my milk in my mason jar because I am going to put it in the freezer so it could be really cold by the time I'm ready for it, because I don't want to add ice and water it down. So this is a 32 ounce jar, okay? This is not the small ones, it's 32 ounces. And now I'm going to work on the strawberry syrup. These strawberries were so big and beautiful and so sweet and ripened. I love the summertime and springtime in Texas. The produce is just so good. I don't know what it's like in other southern states because you guys know I'm from up north. So I only know what happens in Texas, but the fruit and vegetables in the spring and summertime, I mean all year around, but the spring and summer is where it's at. Like, I just love it. I'm obsessed. It's always so fresh and so ripened. And so I just love the batch that I picked today. So I added my sugar and water, and then you want to add your pot to the stove just like this. After about 10 minutes, you're going to start seeing this happening right here. And that's pretty much it. You want to cut the stove off and let it settle for a couple minutes. And now I'm going to strain it. Now you do want this to cool down before you add it to your milk. I actually put it in the freezer to speed up the process. Y'all know I ain't got time. I ain't got no patience, child. So I put it in the freezer once I strained it out for about 30 minutes or so, just to get it all the way cooled down. And that's pretty much what I did. And now we're going to put it together. Alright, so I have my whole setup ready to go. My milk is really cold. I have some fresh strawberries there. Now you just want to add your syrup. You guys, this batch, I don't know what happened today, but this batch was so good. It's not overly sweet. Like I said, this is 32 ounces of milk, and that was about a third cup of strawberry syrup. And then on top of that, I didn't use a lot of sugar, so it's not overly sweet. The vanilla in the milk definitely, pumped it up a bit. And it was just so good. So if you guys give this a try, or if you like it, comment below and let me know what you think. If you make it, tag me on social media so that I can repost you. But thank you guys for watching. Try this milk out. I love it. I know you love it too. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.